In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the link color in Webflow in just 5 minutes. First off, you'll need to head over to the Webflow website. If you don't already have an account, you'll notice it's quite inviting with a handy option to sign up for free, so make sure to give that a click. Once there, you can either create a new account with your email and a unique password or opt to sign in using your Google account, whichever is more convenient for you. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here you want to select the site you wish to edit. Keep in mind that loading times will vary depending on your internet connection and computer speed, so it might take a moment. When your site is ready, navigate to the text where you want to insert a link. Simply click on the text to get started. Once you've got the text editor open, look for the style icon. This is where you can make changes to the font color. Clicking on style will bring up a range of color options. Start by clicking on primary color. Doing this opens up a spectrum of hues you can experiment with. If primary isn't quite right, explore the other colors available by clicking through them. Choose a color you prefer by clicking on it, and you'll see the changes reflected immediately on your text. Not satisfied with just one? Feel free to mix and match colors by testing different combinations. It's a great way to achieve a unique and cohesive look for your site. For instance, you might click on card black, which gives a classy, sophisticated appearance, or choose white for a clean, minimal design. Maybe add a touch of contrast with some grey, or set the link apart with a fun highlight color. The choice is yours, and the real fun is in seeing how different colors transform the feel of your site. Once you've settled on the perfect color, if you change your mind and want to revert back to the original color, you can always click on primary color once more. This is a fantastic feature if you want to go back to basics quickly without undoing many steps. After you're happy with your color choice, the final step is publishing your updated site. Click on Publish and then on Publish to selected domains. By doing so, your changes will be live and visible to visitors on the internet. And there you go, you've successfully changed the link color on your Webflow site, adding a personalized touch to your web design. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.